Hello there guys, it's JK at Jordan Bikes and welcome to the video on this Ducati Panigale 1299. So here it is. It's a 2016 166 plate with 7,388 miles on it, and as you see, absolute stunning bike this one. It's finished off in this gorgeous decal kit, so it's a proper head turn and you don't see too many like this at all. Claims brake horsepower on these are an absolute mega 196. This particular one also comes with that tail tidy. Also on it, you get that colour TFT display. You get Brembo M50 Monobloc brakes. You've got all your adjustable options on there. So you've got traction control, engine braking. You've got the wheelie control, adjustable ABS as well. Obviously your power modes. Comes with a quickshifter, and it is just properly kitted out. If you are interested, get yourself down, give us a call and get it bought. Thank you very much for watching.
My name is Nick and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb. We are really fussy, and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish, and we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.